Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call. Today, Thursday, the 2nd of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, so what has happened overnight in the last trading session? First of all, we'll start off with China. Manufacturing came in strong at 51.3 as China's official factory gauge started the new year on a good note. This effectively gives the policymakers somewhat of a buffer to move towards more of a neutral policy as they prepare for potential trade tensions with Donald Trump-led White House. So that's what's happened on the China front. In London, UK manufacturing sector made a strong start to 2017. Output has risen at the fastest rate since May of 2014, so numbers are looking good there, and as a consequence we could see from the chart on a 15-minute chart we can see that the market reacted to that, and the sterling or the cable shot up as a result of that data. Moving along, the bigger, I guess, news or events were in the US overnight. Private sector employment increased by 246,000, which was way above the forecast. And initially the market did react to that, but it wasn't until later when the FOMC statement was released, which is only a couple of hours ago at the time of me speaking to you. And essentially we were told that the expectations of an interest rate hike in March have declined, and the probability of a hike fell from basically 30% down to 18% after the release of the statement. As a consequence, we can see here against on the US yen on a 15-minute chart, the market reacted to this and dropped immediately 70 odd pips. It has come back since a little bit, but that's a direct result of that news as we anticipated yesterday. All right, so now it is time for the chart of the day, and what I found for us, one, it's not completely set yet, but just look out for it. It's a CHF, it's a Swissy yen chart on a 4-hour chart, and you can see here clearly we've found a really nice channel. There's plenty of touches on both sides, so we have 1, 2 and 3 touches up top. We have 1, 2, 3 at the bottom as well, and right now we are potentially setting up an inside candle. We need to wait for this candle. Depending on the time when you watch this video, this candle may have been finished and it's ready to go, so look out for this one. What we're looking for is an inside candle for the opportunity to shoot back up the channel. So there you have it. That is our chart of the day today. It's the Swiss yen on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so what's happening in the session that is about to unfold? It is a very filled session, and we kicks off this evening 8:30 our local time, which is Australian Eastern Standard Daylight Savings Time, with GBP PMI numbers. Now it is a huge night for any sterling traders. As we can see at 11 o'clock, we have everything comes in. We have the bank votes, we see if they're changing their interest rates. We don't think, no one really thinks that's going to happen, but we also have the monetary policy statement. So we're looking for what tones are delivered in that statement, especially with the hard Brexit just around the corner. So we're looking for anything there, and this is definitely a market moving night for the sterling, so keep a close eye on that. 11:15 we have Mr. Draghi speaking for the euro, and at 11:30, which is traditional half an hour after the releases, we have Governor Carney speaking. So we'll see what he says there regarding the monetary policies and so forth. At 12:30, and the final major event for the evening is unemployment claims from the US. This also can have major impacts on the markets, so make sure that you note these times so that you don't get caught up accidentally into any trades that you did not intend to be in. As always, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at chat FX for trade setups and breaking news. But most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I will see you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.